Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a QR code in Canva using your phone. First, launch the Canva application on your mobile device. Once open, you can either begin a brand new design or select an existing project to work on. Then, locate the Apps section within the Canva editor, which is usually found by scrolling through the bottom menu. This is where we will find the QR code generator tool. Next, within the Apps section, search for and tap on the QR code application. This tool allows you to convert information into a scannable image. You will then be prompted to input the specific URL or text that you wish to embed into your QR code. After entering your desired content, simply tap the Generate QR Code button. Canva will then instantly create your unique QR code for you. Once your QR code is generated, it will appear on your design canvas. You can easily adjust its size by dragging the corners and reposition it by dragging the entire code to your preferred spot. Canva also offers options to change the color of your QR code to match your design's aesthetic. Remember to ensure the code remains clear and large enough for easy scanning by any mobile device. Finally, after placing and customizing your QR code, it's time to download your design. Tap the download icon and choose a suitable file format, such as PNG or JPG, for high quality. You can also share your design directly from the Canva app to various platforms. Before finalizing, always test your newly created QR code with a phone to ensure it scans perfectly and directs to the correct destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.